guys, welcome back to my channel, or if it's your first time here, welcome to my channel. My name is ARTI Agarwal and I make all sorts of makeup and beauty videos here on my channel. Lately I've gotten really into skincare and on YouTube reviews are my favorite videos to watch, and I'm sure it's really obvious that I'm not wearing any makeup right now. That is because I am going to be doing my very own first ever skincare product review for you guys. I recently got my hands on the L'Oreal Paris Crystal Micro Essence and I wanted to share my detailed review and thoughts about the product with you guys. So let's begin. First of all, let's talk about the packaging. I really love how the frosted glass bottle looks. It has a really luxurious and premium feel to it. The main ingredients in this product are salicylic acid and Centinella asiatica. I know it sounds really complicated to you, but let me break it down to you. So what does salicylic acid do? Salicylic acid is a BHA, also known as a beta hydroxy acid. It's great for people who have acne prone skin because salicylic acid is really known and it's really popular for acne treatments because it kills acne causing bacteria and it also resurfaces your skin and makes it look smoother. So one of the claims of the micro essence is that it gives you a smoother finish, and now you know why, because it has salicylic acid in it. And the second main ingredient in this essence is Centinella asiatica, also known as the Indian gold leaf that your parents give you on the Sera. But let's come to the point. Centinella asiatica has really good hydrating properties to it. So it really hydrates and penetrates the skin with moisture, through which you get the really beautiful glistening from within look. Now the next question you might ask me is when to use an essence, because it's a really relatively new term for a lot of people here in India. So an essence like this one is supposed to be used after you've cleansed your face with your cleanser in the daytime as well as at the night time before you go to bed. And because this is a very hydrating essence, you can even skip on your moisturizer if you have oily skin. Ideally, all skin types can use this if you have dry, normal combination or even oily skin, and most importantly, even if you have acne prone skin, because it has salicylic acid in it. You take about 4 drops of this product on your palms and then you tap your palms together and then press it onto your skin. So you just apply the product on my face and I'm sure you can see the difference within seconds. My face is looking so healthy and it looks like my skin is glowing from within. Now coming on to the next question, you might ask me how is it different from a moisturizer, because a moisturizer is supposed to hydrate and moisturize your skin, right? But why do I have to use an essence? The molecules of an essence are far tinier than that of a moisturizer, which means it's going to penetrate deeper into your skin and moisturize the layers that are not even visible to your naked eye. This micro essence is going to penetrate 10 layers deep into your skin and moisturize even the deepest layers of your skin, whereas a moisturizer is just going to hydrate the topmost layer of your skin. And that is why I rely on this, because it hydrates even the deepest layers of my skin. So you're supposed to apply the micro essence twice a day, once in the morning and once at night. The thing that I love about this essence is that it's so hydrating and moisturizing that if you have normal to oily skin, you can even skip your moisturizer. Another amazing thing about this product is that it comes in multiple size variants. So you can either buy the 22 ml bottle for 250 rupees or the 65 ml bottle for 7.99, or the one that I have, which is the 130 ml bottle for 1400 rupees. So this is great if you're just in college or if you're on a budget and you want to try out something for your skin. You can go for the 22 ml bottle just for 250 rupees, which still is quite a lot of product for you to understand if you're liking this or no. I really love my Crystal Micro Essence. I love how lightweight the texture is and how it feels on my skin, and that it's even working for my acne prone skin type. So no matter what your skin type is, I really recommend this product to you guys, and I'll leave a shop to link in the description box below. You can check it out if you want to, and if you do buy this product and try it out, please let me know your thoughts about it in the comment section below, and I'll see you soon. Bye.